Hello guys, my name is Satyam Rasa. I want to ask you one question. Does air exert pressure? Yes? Then comment down how, and no, then I will tell you in this experiment. We want paper, test tube and glass of water filled with water. Then we want to take paper and put it into test tube. And we want to dip test tube in water. You can see that air is exerting pressure downward force and water is exerting pressure upward force because of Bion's force. Then air exerts downward force, therefore water is not going into the test tube. Therefore our paper is not wet and it is dry. You can see. Thank you guys. Like, share and comment.